Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today I'm going to be doing an updated what's on my iPhone video. Before I get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow me on all my different social media accounts. I have the iPhone 11 gigabyte size. I believe I have 128 gigs and I have the white color. On my phone I have this, it looks like a passport photo but Yoongi picture, and then I have the Daikon removable sticker here, so that's also Yoongi. And then I have an August D sticker that I got from a birthday event. And then I have this ELAGO phone case, which is from their BT21 collection. And I have the Sweet RJ phone case. I really love this phone case because it feels extremely protective, and I'm literally clumsy and I dropped my phone literally out of nowhere. ELAGO's actually a brand based in San Diego, and they have a collaboration with BT21. And they have a whole bunch of different products. They have phone cases for the iPhone 11 and 12 series, as well as the Samsung Galaxy S21. They have like AirPod cases, and they have an Apple Watch series collection. ELAGO was really nice to send me a couple of their products to show you guys. I actually got 2 other phone cases. So I got the Mong version of that phone case. So this one looks like this, the baby BT21 characters, and they also comes with stickers, which I didn't even know. They have all the characters there on this little sheet. They have a phone case with all 7 characters on there. Just another clear case, super nice and protective, and then you have the stickers here. I love this. I think this is adorable. ELAGO also sent me a couple of their AirPod cases, so I currently have on the 7 character one. These are clear and it comes with a little key ring. I thought that was really nice. And then I ended up getting 2 more AirPod cases, so I chose Tata and Chimmy. Here is the Tata one. So freaking adorable. And then here is the Chimmy one. So this is the Jelly Candy BT21 collection. They're all so adorable. They have AirPod Pro cases as well. And lastly, they have Apple Watch bands. So these are all compatible with all of the different versions of the Apple Watch. I have the Apple Watch Series 3 in the 38mm size. So currently I have on the Koya watch band, which is super adorable. But I also got the cookie one as well. So bands are just clear and they have the little characters on the side. So there's this cookie and then a little jelly looking cookie there. I can switch between those 2. They look sleek because they're clear. Super cute. Definitely go check out the collection. I think that you guys will love it. I will leave all of the links down below to all of the different products. Thank you so much, ELAGO, for sending me these products. Let's just go into what is on my iPhone. So this is my home screen. I just have a picture of Yoongi from In the Soup, and I have Face IDs. This is my home page. I tried to do more of like a green, neutral, earthy toned theme because the wallpaper from In the Soup is earthy tones. The first widget I have is my batteries widget. So this shows me my phone battery, my Apple Watch battery, and when my AirPods are connected to my phone, it also shows that. The first 4 apps I have are like my most used apps. So I have Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest. My Twitter, I only have a stan Twitter. It's just me keeping up to date with BTS and the K-pop community. Here's my @ my display name is Yoongi's Tangerine with the little 7. Love Twitter. And then my Instagram, I have 2 different Instagram accounts. I have my main personal one, which is Amanda Hope. I'll have it up on the screen, but like the second A, there isn't, it's not there. I've been posting a lot on Instagram recently. I also have a collector's Instagram, so it's the same @ as my Twitter. I haven't really been posting a lot on here. On here, I post like my collections and stuff, any events that I've been to. Pretty much I use this Instagram account to read BTS fanfics. Sorry about it. And Snapchat, that's my personal Snapchat. And then Pinterest, my Pinterest I'll have up on the screen, but I like to repin a lot of stuff. I have BTS boards, but they're on private, which I'll probably just change them to public because it doesn't really matter. And then I have this medium-sized widget from Widget, and it's just a calendar. Next, I have YouTube, Tumblr, Facebook, and YouTube Studio. Pretty self-explanatory. I don't really use Tumblr as much as I did. Next, I have this Widget photo, which is just a picture of Yoongi from Digita. I love that photo so much, so needed to have that right there every single time I open my phone. On my little dashboard thing, I have my mail app, Kakao Talk, messages, and then music. Music, I have Spotify, like Apple Music, but I don't use Apple Music. On the second page, I have a medium-sized widget right on the top. This is clock widget. So I have the Korean time zone. So I have KST and I have EST for Toronto because that is where I am from. So it's nice to see like the time zone that my friends and family are in. And then I have 8 apps on the left side of my screen. So I have photos. So here I have my recent ones. I have different folders, but I haven't been organizing them recently. So I can't tell you anything about organization of my photos. Then camera, pretty self-explanatory. Settings, Gmail. Then I have phone, Safari. I have a Hanguk folder. Here I have Papago, which is a translation app. So if I need to know how to say something, or if I'm reading something I don't understand what it says, I can take a picture of it and it will translate it for me. And Papago is more accurate than Google Translate. Tuida, which is a Korean learning language app. I haven't used it in a while, but it's cool because you have native speakers teaching pronunciation and stuff, and there's like video tutorials and you can practice speaking into the microphone and it will like grade you, but I haven't used that in a while. Memrise is another language learning app. Hello Talk is a language exchange app, so you can meet people and you guys can teach each other your languages. Drops, another language learning app. These are all basically language learning apps. Lingo Deer, Naver Dictionary, I don't really use that. Drops Korean, and then Eggbime, Duolingo, I have not used in a hot minute. Naver, Air Visual, this I use for work. If I want to bring my kids outside, I have to check like the air quality to make sure that it's healthy and safe for them to go outside. Pimsleur, which is another language learning app, but I think it's only free for like the first lesson. I really liked the first lesson, but I didn't want to pay for the full version. Scholastic World of English, that's for work. Netflix, I have Ling, another language learning app, which I've been using that more because I have the premium version. It's really good so far. It's helping me with pronunciation. You can review. I really like the app so far. And then Star Trip, this app Casey actually told me about. It's this app that shows you different locations in Korea where Korean media was filmed, TV shows, movies, different places that idols have been to. It's all on this one app. And then I have FaceTime. I have 2 photo widgets. So I have this quote here. It says, if it makes you happy, it's not a waste of time. And then I have another Yoongi photo just brightening my day just down there. The last page that I have here is where all of my folders are. I didn't want to recreate what I did for my first iOS 14 update. My issue with creating shortcuts and changing the app faces is that I can't see the notifications. I like to see if I've checked my notifications. Not having the red circle with the number on it kind of drove me a little bit crazy, so I ended up changing it. If you want it to look more cohesive, definitely go for changing the app faces. It looks beautiful. I think so many people do such a great job with making their iPhones look like aesthetically pleasing, but for me it's just like not practical. I have a medium-sized photo widget which has the BTS group photo from In the Soup, and then I have clock, and then I have 7 different folders. So my first folder is Bangtanso년dan, and I have SoundCloud, VLive, Weverse, Weverse Shop, Shazam, official Lightstick app. I have a guitar tuner app on here. I don't know why. I don't play guitar. And I have TikTok. Okay, and then I have a money folder. So here I have my Korean bank and my Canadian bank bill letter, which shows me my phone bill. Pass, I don't really know what it's for. Wallet, and then I have H&M, Amazon, Uniqlo, Starbucks. And then on the next page, I have Mango Plates. Mango Plate shows you different restaurants in the area that you're in. So if you are feeling a certain type of food or you have a craving, you can check out what is in the area. And then the other app is just a food delivery service app. I have transportation, so I have Naver Map, Kakao Map, Kakao T, which is Kakao Taxi, and Google Maps. Next is my YouTube folder. So here I have Vlo or VLLO. This is another YouTube video editing app that I use in addition to iMovie. So I edit and do like all of my rough cuts, add music and stuff through iMovie, and then I will import everything onto my phone and edit the rest rest of it on Flow. I think it was only $30 on the App Store, but the only thing is that you can't download it onto your MacBook. You can only do it on like an iPad or an iPhone. Next is Fonto. So this is the app that I use to do text on my thumbnails, and font is basically Fonto, but you can put text on videos. Canva, which I use sometimes for Instagram stories just to make them look nice. Mostly I'll do birthday Instagram stories on there. And then feed preview. So here is how I plan out my Instagram feed. I like to put different photos and carousels and stuff on here and try to arrange them into a way that I like. So I try to make it look a little bit more cohesive. The way that I like to post is I like to have a photo of me and then a like aesthetic photo. And then I have Beauty Plus, which sometimes I use to edit my face. Like, I don't lie about it. I do edit my photos. It's kind of obvious, I think. I'm not even sorry about it. Like, I just do. And then I have In Preview, which this is the app that I use to look at my feed for my collector's Instagram. Because I can't have more than one account on Feed Preview because I would have to pay for like the premium version or something, which no, I'll just download another app. And then I have Visco, which I ended up paying $20 for an entire year subscription to get all of the different filters. So there's that. Next, I have a random folder. So I have my MyFitnessPal, which I use to track my like eating habits, Flow to track my period, Color Widgets, and Widget Smith, which are the two widget apps that I use to get like the photos and the calendars and stuff like that. Facebook Messenger, voice memos, calculator, contacts, Find My iPhone, Photo Widget, Apple Watch, App Store, iTunes Store, Reports Plus. This is the app that I use to check my followers on Instagram. And then I have Unfollow, which is for Twitter, Ticketmaster, CoStar, and The Pattern. CoStar and The Pattern, if you guys know what those apps are, you know that they like mess you up. Then I have Among Us, Outlook, WhatsApp, Fitness, Health, and Tinder. And then I have my reading folder. So here I have books. I download like ebooks. And then I have Wattpad, which obviously, as you can tell, I have not opened. Webtoon and Mangatune, love. Lastly, I have my work folder. So I have Excel sheets, Cam Scanner, which I use to scan my books for my kids so I can put them in PowerPoints, files, docs, notes, reminders, calendar, and Zoom. The last two widgets I have are Photo Widget. I have Raise Your Standards and the Universe Will Meet You There. That's just like a quote. And then this bottom widget is from Photo Widget, and I have a slideshow of BTS photos that it changes between. So when you click it, these are all the photos that it goes between. So I have 9 different photos. I just named the album Green BTS, and I just wanted them to match my theme. But that is everything that is on my iPhone. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go check out ELAGO for their phone cases, AirPod cases, Apple Watch strap. Just check out the entire BT21 collection. It's so cute. You definitely won't regret it. Follow me on all my different social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.